Alright, so holy crap. I just did 2 hits and this was my first one. Let me see. Where was it? Was it this one? There we go. So the first hit was over 1,000,000. And then this is the second hit. Oh, I didn't do too well on the second hit. Well, I still went over 1,000,000. But let me show you how it's done, yo. So I popped my Colossal March. I only have 30 minutes on that. And I'm at 184 right now. I already saved my March, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more because I have that Colossal. So I need to make sure that I add in just a good little mix. Oh, it's not letting me do it. Okay. Holy crud. That's some killer hits. So let's see where this is gonna put me. Yeah, so not only did I use that, but I also increased my heroes. So one of my heroes, Akalian, he gives an additional 3,100 troops. So added those troops plus the boost, the buff, and I have Arthur at 30, like, has given me that much power. And yeah, that's so crazy. I mean, after 2 hits, I'm already at 185. That's just nuts. But, I mean, the downside is I only have the 30 minutes to be able to use this March boost. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I have the buff on here. Yeah, I have March capacity buff on, plus attack and defense. So, well, I mean, attack really is the one that matters. So yeah, 118. Oh, let's see how much damage I got on that one. Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, not as good as the first one, but the first couple, but it's working. It is working. Come on, hurry up and get back. Alright, cool. So, I'm gonna attack again. I'm gonna use my March. Let me add. Oh, it's not adding. Oh, okay. Oh. Go on, Nile. Nice. You go, girl. Do it. Alright. Oh, that was fast. Yeah, you. Boom, look at that. Holy cow. me to good goodbye. Let's see how much more time I got. Alright, I got a little bit less than 20 more minutes. Hopefully I can get this done. Every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Time you walk out, the less I love you. Maybe we don't stand a chance. Somebody true. Come on, there we go. Boom. What's happening there? Oh, it's hilarious. Krabs left his spot so we could go and battle that guy. And that guy bubbled. It is what it is. Split seconds and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. With you by my side, and I realized when I promised tomorrow. The general's front lawn again. I'm gonna hold you. We're standing. I won't take you for granted. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Holy cow. Just a whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is, you'll never know. Any chance that I get, I'll make the most of the minutes along with no regret. Oh, come on. It's only a minute march, but man, it seems like it's taking forever. Alright, I got a few more. Oh, rank 60 already. That's so crazy. Alright. Oh, okay. So I think the trick is just to make sure that there's like a good mix of your troops sent for this, because I have all the way down to tier 1s heading out to go and battle, and it's giving me some pretty decent power, well, decent damage on this guy. And yeah, so what I'll do is I'll actually put a link to a calculator that I use to figure out the Golem troop formation that I'm using. And I mean, thus far it hasn't let me down, but at the same time I've also been kind of testing it out. So the numbers that you saw are actually old numbers in my formation. And that's why I have like, I don't know, what is that, like a good 20,000 troops of gap that I need to fill. Nice. But for the most part, at least like the good portion of the formation is already down. So all I need to do is add in, especially when I do this March capacity boost. It all works out. So, and there was a few things that I done between the last Golem and this Golem to be able to increase my March size, my March capacity. One of the things that I did was increase capacity using the dragon skills. And then I also leveled up some of my heroes that allow for increased troops. And then, of course, I'm using these boosts, the attack boost, the march boost, and then the talent, the capacity talent. So that's how I'm able to make sure that I send as much power as possible. Let's see. So for the most part, I'm not like moving up too much. I'm trying to stay within the ratio, but and I mean, there's no real ratio. I just trying to make sure that I keep it even. A little bit less than 13 more minutes to hit 3 more times, and right now I am at rank 41. There's a chance that I'll be in the top 20. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. There we go. Boom. Nice. Almost there. So in my parade grounds, my troop parade grounds, if you can open up the third formation, using your formations is like super helpful. So I have my regular march formation, which is my first formation, and then I have a formation of just sieges. So when I'm like blind hitting, I'll usually send that march in, that formation in, before I send in my main march. And I'll do that just in case there's like a whole bunch of traps because I'm hitting blind. I don't know if there's gonna be traps or what in there, so I'd rather just sacrifice all of my sieges first than than sending in my main march and like get a heavy hit. So that's the reason why I do that. A little bit more time left. Come on. I have 2 more hits after this one. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. Oh, I know I'm recording, but completely forgot I was recording and I started singing. Sorry, guys. I don't know who these guys are. Weird. How did we do? Boom. Alright, alright. Not as good as the last one, I think. I don't think that was as good as the last one. Let's see. Yeah, because I hit 5. 1165. Yeah, that one wasn't good. Okay. Come on, come on. I think we can do it. I think we got this. Come on. There we go. Rank 29. Yeah, buddy. Look pretty. I don't know where I'm at right now. Oh, 24th place. Can I break into the top 20? I don't know. What is the rank for top 20? It was hard work to get to 24. Come on, top 20. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. I would have to break into the top 10 at this point. Nice. Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I would want to rank it. They pay out, the rewards pay out for up to top 100. And I'd be happy to just be at 100, especially like if I lost all of my troops and like it's hard. It would be hard for me to get points. I would definitely love to be even just like 100, but the fact that, like, knock on wood, I've kept a lot of my troops and I'm doing fairly good. I want to try to go as far as I can and see what I can actually do in terms of points. So it's been nice to be able to gain the points and just kind of try to see if I can beat my last scores. Wow, I hit, wow. Man, you mean to say I've been shortchanging myself? Like, that sucks. Okay then, I have one more hit and I got some time. Does it still look pretty? Oh, does it still look pretty? Awesome. I think this is my last hit. Yeah, this is my last one. And I am ranked 19. Let's see if I can do the same thing. I forget what I did. I mean, the good news is I'll have, good news is I'll have this video to kind of take a look at what I did so I can reprint it for next one. I mean, that's majority of the game anyway. It's just like testing out what works, what doesn't work, and because everybody is different, from not only the armor you wear, but the heroes that you get to open up, at what different points you get to open up, how you level them up. The same thing with your dragon, the skills that you prioritize. And so, yeah, like a whole bunch of stuff kind of plays into whether or not you can assign the right things to be able to get the most power for the different events. What did we do? What did we do? How did we do? Oh, I didn't hit 117 anymore. Oh, sad day. But what is this? Aw. I think Flash did that. I don't know what that is though. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, just claim all that. That's so exciting. Let me see. I'm rank 16 at the moment. I'm probably gonna drop, but the fact that I'm rank 16, I am pretty happy with that. Let's see. Last one, I ended up at, let's see. Oh, nice. Medium XP rewards. Oh no. What happened to... Oh, anyway, I was top 10 at the last... I was top 10 in the last Golem event. But yeah, clearly not this time. That's okay. But yeah, isn't that cool? Like, whew, that's a lot of damage. Alright.